Good day everybody, thanks for looking in. We've got a little project to do here today. These are our holiday cottages. Gardens have usually got nice trellis work over the top of them. As you can see, the winter's taken its toll. The rain we've had and the wind has blown it over. I think really the wood's just about at its day. I did put that up there probably 15 years ago, so done pretty well. We're going to take out all that we can of this long stuff. There's grapevines. Trumpet to Jericho is this thing with the big pod. I don't know if you know Trumpet to Jericho, but it's a really nice flower. Orange and red there. No seeds in that pod, but it's usually full of seed. And there's honeysuckle and a few other bits and pieces. And hey, look at that, we've even got orchids coming up in here. I don't know if you can see that. That looks like a lizard orchid. Up like that. And there's another orchid there. We get bee orchids and butterfly orchids, all sorts. We get lots of them. Which is very nice. Right, back to work. So we're going to take all this down, take all this wire out, strip it right back. I'm going to replace it with metal this time. I've bought some galvanised tubing from a local company who specialise in polytunnels and greenhouses. So I'm going to paint it green to make it look a bit nicer. But it'll be more rigid and probably stay there a longer time. These are the tubes I'm using. I bought them from a local, as I said earlier on, a local manufacturer of greenhouses and tunnels. Have some rebar that I'm going to cut. Use some short pieces to weld just across so that these sit on them like that, and we can hammer that into the ground wherever it needs to be hammered into before we get to the rocks, which there's plenty here. And that should hold that well and stable.